Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we're about to get into our 5 off of 25 deals for Saturday, October 3rd. And we're going to cover 4 all digital deals that you can do today. We're going to cover a wide range of deals, paper deal, gain deal. We're going to do a low out-of-pocket deal and even a household deal. So I have a lot to cover in today's video. And of course, I will be providing written breakdowns as well to make your shopping trip super easy. If this is your first time using a 5 off of 25 coupon at Dollar General, welcome. I will have a video linked above on the screen for you and down below that you can check out that will give you full instructions, but it's so easy. All you have to do is download the same digital coupons that I am going to show you today and enter in your phone number at the register and check out. Before we get started with today's video, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. So before I get into our first deal, I want to talk a little bit about this Glade Overage. So the Glade Overage is dead. So if you're not familiar with what was going on earlier in the week, we have a $3.75 off of 2 Glade coupon that was previously working on $1 items. Well, it is no longer working on $1 items. We ran Dollar General in the ground with this overage, and I guess they were tired of us, so they have finally pulled the plug on this deal. So you won't find the Glade Overage in any of my breakdowns today. It would have been so nice to have it with the 5 off of 25, but honestly, I'm surprised that they let this glitch go on for as long as they did. So hopefully you took full advantage during the week. And with the Glade Overage dying, Dollar General has also snuck in a coupon policy update. So when you go on the Dollar General website, offhand, you may not be able to tell that the policy has been recently updated because it still says like 2018 at the top, but they have actually added some brand new verbiage regarding coupon overages as of the end of last month. And what the new updated verbiage pretty much says is that Dollar General will continue to accept coupons that have a face value that exceed the price of an item to which the coupon applies. However, with the most recent update to this policy, they will reduce down the amount of the coupon within the system so that you no longer receive overage. So if you have a $3 product and a $4 coupon, they're going to reduce that $4 coupon to $3 so that you don't receive an overage. You're only going to get the item for free. This is similar to what Family Dollar currently does. This will really affect us, I feel like, the most during the clearance events when we typically have coupons that exceed the value of the product because they are on clearance. We used to get a lot of overage from the clearance events. Now we will just get those products for free. This is not the first time that we've seen these types of updates at Dollar General. I've been couponing at Dollar General long enough that I actually remember the policy prior to this update when they actually used to give us cash back. So if we had a $3 product and a $4 coupon, they would actually give you the dollar back in cash. And Lord, I actually used to get the cash back at Dollar General. So I remember when they changed it to just giving us the overage, and now they're doing what a lot of stores doing, and they're just reducing down the price of the coupon. Thankfully, Dollar General systems are archaic, so I think this update will take a while. So let's just enjoy the overage while we can. I'm sure we will still get fantastic deals. So here's the first all digital deal that I put together, which I think is just a pretty well-rounded household deal where you can get stocked up on quite a few items. So I have 2 of the Febreze small spaces. They are $3 each, $6 for 2. 2 of the Ajax or Palmolive 52-ounce dish liquid. Those are $2.75 a piece. $5.50 for 2. I have 1 of the Scott paper towels for $5.50, 1 of the travel size head and shoulders for $2, 1 of the Airwick starter kits for $3.35, and then 1 of the Tide Simply Laundry detergents for $2.95. Your total for all of these items before any coupons are applied should be $25.30. We're going to use that 5 off of 25 store coupon plus the 3 off of 2 Febreze. the BOGO Ajax, the $1 off of one Scott, the $2 off of one for the Head and Shoulders, the $1.50 off of one for the Earwick, the $1 off of one for the Tide Simply, and we will pay $8.80 after those $16.50 in coupons are applied. $8.80 for this deal, I feel like, is awesome. Next deal up is going to be a Scott paper deal. I try to include one of these most weeks because I know there's always going to be times where we need to stock up on that paper. So we have 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus for $5 each. We have 1 of the Scott paper towels for $5.50. We got 2 of the Febreze plugs for $5 each. 1 of the Head and Shoulders travel size for $2. And then we have 2 of the Baby's Welch's fruit snacks. These are 34 cents each and found by the cash register. So our total is going to be $28.13 for this deal. It is important when you're doing a Scott deal that your total is $28 versus $25. And the reason being is because after the cashier enters the total button, your total is going to drop by $3 because you're going to receive $3 in instant savings. And your total still has to be $25 after that instant savings is applied. So after the instant savings, our total is $25.13 for this deal. We're going to use a total of $14 in coupons, the 5 off of 25 store coupon, the $1 off of one for the Scott, the $2 off one for the Head and Shoulders, the 5 off of 2 for the Febreze plugs, and the $1 off of 2 for the Welch's. That's going to make this deal just $11.13. If you have the 75-cent off printable coupons for the Scott toilet paper from the Scott website, you can use 2 of those and you can bring this deal under $10. Your total will be just $9.68. But of course, those are completely optional. Now let's get into a Gain deal for my Gain lovers. So in this deal, you can grab the 150 ounce Gain laundry detergent. So this is the big boy. These are $13.50. And I'll have the prices in the Google document. I forgot to include them in my image up here. And then we're going to get 2 of the Gain scented Febreze plugs. Those are $5 a piece, of course, so $10 for 2. Then we're going to grab 2 of the Gain scented small spaces. So those are $3 a piece, or $6 for 2. And then you want to get one $1 Gain item of your choice. I have one of the little baby detergents pictured here, but you can also get the 15-count dryer sheets or one of the $1 fabric softeners. That will make your total $30.50. Then we're going to use a total of $21 in coupons. So the 5 off of 25 store coupon, the 5 off of 30 Gain coupon, the 3 off of 1 Gain detergent coupon, the 5 off of 2 for the Febreze plugs, and the 3 off of 2 for the Febreze small spaces. That's going to make your total just $9.50 for this deal. Last deal up is a low out-of-pocket deal for my people who want to keep that spending low. And I can see I have a typo right here. This says $6.50, but it should be $6.80. So this deal is going to cost you $6.80. So you want to grab one of the Airwick starter kits for $3.35, one of the Tide Simply laundry detergents for $2.95, 2 of the Febreze plugs for $10, one of the Gillette Sensor 2 10 packs for $8.50, and then one of the Gillette Foamy Shave Creams. I didn't have one of those in my stockpile, so I just did me a little, ghetto Photoshop situation right there, but you guys get the memo. So your total is going to be $26.65 for those items. You want to use the following digital coupons, so that's going to be $19.85 in coupons, the 5 off of 25 store coupon, the $1.50 off Airwick starter, the $1 off of 1 for the Tide Simply, your 5 off of 2 for the Febreze plugs, the 5 off of 1 for your Gillette razor, the 50-cent off of 1 for the Gillette foam, and then your buy one get one free Gillette foam and razor. That should bring your total down to just $6.80 for these items, keeping your out-of-pocket nice and low. So that is all for my 5 off of 25 deals for this week. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to check below for a written breakdown of all of today's deals. You can find it in the Google document in the description box. Please remember to also hit that thumbs up button if you have not already. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.